Silver last week showed no intent to break beyond 2350 2360 zone. We have mentioned why it is a greater resistance, and precisely it has reversed from the same levels and stayed bearish for the week. Yes, I have shared several times that it appears silver is trying to stay in the box and it is being positioned in the box for the last few weeks. So what to expect from silver in the coming week? Has it consolidated enough? Can we expect it to deliver a breakout, or there is further bearishness left on the downside? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, the trade setups. Watch till the end. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. It is always a great inspiration for me to deliver twice a day updates and the weekly reviews as well for silver. First with the Asia session daily, I share the update, and then next with the US session. Thus, press the bell icon. And if you're not joined the channel membership, do join the channel memberships. Let's start. Now, first, let's have a look at the monthly charts. See, I have shared this earlier as well. I am sharing it again. Look at the monthly charts. After the rise, silver is just consolidating since last one and a half year. You can see this rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement, and the pattern is simple: two green, two red, two green, two red, green, red, two green, two red. Now, does it mean that this candle is going to close in green? It appears so. Looking at the triple bottom, what it is formed at 21.90 $22 levels. I have shared this earlier that it has formed a very strong support at these levels. Now, getting the support from the levels, it has tried to bounce back, and right now it is at a doji, which means an indecision, and this could be also one of the signals that it can try to bounce back in the coming month. Now, also look at the moving averages have crossed over, certainly signs of bullishness. In the coming week, we have to now wait for it to break first 2320, 2330 zone, and then 2350, 2360 zone. If these two levels are taken, consider that silver is ready for a breakout. Now, this is one observation here on the monthly charts. And if you look at the movement here, stochastic has dropped, rise, retracement, and a crossover here or a reversal here can be a stronger one. The MACD, look at the MACD. After staying bearish for a while, it has retraced, it has crossed over. Now it is on the verge of a crossover for a selling. But the candle, this current candle, if it stays bullish, possibly this crossover may nullify and it will start to diverge. That is one possibility for I will be looking forward to, because it has shown hardly any move after this crossover, and it has lot much of room available on the upside. Let's see if it continues to diverge. RSI is flat. Coming to week. Now look at the weekly charts here. See, there was a reversal sign the preceding week, and after that we have seen a stronger bullish candle rising from the bottom here and closing at the top. But the last week have shown no intent to break beyond 2350-60 levels. Thus, it is very important now for silver to break beyond 2350-60, and any move beyond 2350-60 should be a reversal confirmation, because it is consolidated enough here in this zone. It has found its bottom at 21.90 $22 levels. Also, after the drop, it has traded bearish and given a breakout. Thus, it is still not to be treated bearish as long as 21.80 $22 levels are not taken on the downside. This is one very important. Moving averages here are still not crossed over and are layered one over other, still are in the green zone. Stochastic on the weekly charts is rising. Possibly it can enter back into the overbought zone soon. The MACD. Now look at MACD. On the MACD, if you will observe, this was the rise. It has retraced here, and a crossover here can lead to a rally. I will wait for a crossover here, which also that it has to break beyond 2360 and then $24 levels. Then we will look forward to $26 levels in the near future. RSI right now looking downwards, trying to show slight bearishness. Coming to the daily. Now look at the daily chart. See, first of all, the bottom here, and I have showed something last week. The formation of a nice W here, and it can continue in this formation. Look, the slope here is gradual. The rise is a bit stronger here. That is one thing you should note. Second point, after the rise, it has retraced. Now it is very important for silver to break beyond 2320, 2330, and then 2350, 2360. If these two levels are taken in the coming week, consider that as a breakout, and then we can see a stronger rise in silver. As long as 2350, 2360 is not breached, we should stay cautious, we should stay alert in silver, and we should not be treating silver as bullish as long as 2360 is not breached. But it appears that we may see it rising from the current levels. That is what is my expectation. Stochastic has dropped on the daily charts. The MACD, look at the MACD, it has consolidated enough here at the bottom on the daily charts. It is still in green, but it has failed to diverge. Right now, not showing much strength. Thus, couple of green candles from here will confirm the reversal and the rise here. Look at the daily charts here, couple of peaks, and the downside is very limited. So let's see if it continues to stay and deliver a crossover. RSI is rising, signs of bullishness here on the daily charts. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour charts. After achieving the peak, see, this is what it is trying to deliver. This is also a nice bearish channel after a stronger bull run. Now it is a retracement, and thus first it has to stay beyond 2320, 2330 zone. Again the same levels, and I will wait for a breakout, because see, after the bull run it is in a retracement zone and a breakout is going to be a stronger one. On the 4 hour charts also, you've seen it has achieved the bottom, trying to reverse. Wait for the breakout here. Stochastic rising back to overbought levels. Now see MACD on the 4 hour charts. Rise retracement, and a crossover here is what I will wait for. Stochastic has also shown the similar trend here. So now we have seen the charts and indicators, and time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies such that you can trade profitably, such that you can trade comfortably. Before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting on 4th of March. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the tools, strategy, and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And yes, you can also approach me if you want to join my Signals channel on Telegram. All the contact details are shared in the channel and video description. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and visit my platform Forex Funda if you need any market related news, charts, economic calendar, or the community. Everything is there. And yes, you can also book a call there with me if you need any consultation or guidance. With that, let's first talk about the levels to buy. Now see, you can buy here at 2305, but then very important for silver to break beyond 2320 30 zone. This is going to be the first and very strong resistance, and then 2350 and 60 zone. If these two levels are taken, consider that silver is giving a breakout, and very soon the next milestone is going to be 24 20 zone. Very stronger, the next resistance, beyond which we will look forward to a rally, and it is going to achieve 2450, 2510, and then directly towards 26 in the near future. It means it is applicable for the month of March and beyond as well. Right now it is not showing any intent. It is staying in the box, and the breakout can be either which ways. Thus you need to be watchful, and as I shared, this is going to be important. This is going to be important. Possibility of a reversal will exist as long as $24 levels are not breached. On the downside, where to sell? I will only recommend you to sell here at 2275 levels, below which see 2260 and 40. This is the zone it needs to break. I have shared several times in my daily and weekly reviews as well. And if it drops below this, the next support levels will come into picture at 2180. So yes, it is very important for silver to break below this, and if and only if it stays below this, we can say now the bears are taking over. We are looking forward to 2150, $21, and below that a sharper drop towards 2000 levels, and these levels are applicable for the month of March. Now when you talk about my expectation is for silver to give a bullish breakout, but right now it is in the zone, and hence any breakout either which ways on the upside or downside is going to be stronger. Now remember, a sideways trend, though the more indication are on the upside, however we have to still be watchful. It can be a trap as well. Thus stick to the levels, abide to the levels, and trade as per the levels. That is the only thing which can lead profit. The expectation though is to give a bullish break, but we have to again wait for the breakout on the upside and downside. So take your positions, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Do watch the twice a day updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading. week ahead. Have a happy weekend. Thank you.